Soil investigation is an essential step in the process of designing and constructing any structure. It involves the study and analysis of the properties of the soil at a particular site to determine its suitability for various construction activities. In the case of Ram Puri, a comprehensive soil investigation is crucial to ensure the success and longevity of any future construction projects in the area. The soil investigation in Ram Puri should encompass several important aspects. Firstly, the soil composition needs to be assessed to determine its strength and stability. This involves analyzing the different layers of soil and their respective properties, such as density, moisture content, and shear strength. By understanding the soil composition, engineers can make informed decisions about the type of foundation and structural design that would be most appropriate for the area. In addition to assessing the soil composition, a soil investigation in Ram Puri should also evaluate the groundwater table and its potential impact on construction projects. The presence of a high water table can affect the stability of the soil and may require additional measures to prevent water infiltration into structures. By conducting thorough groundwater studies, engineers can design effective drainage systems and waterproofing strategies to mitigate any potential risks. Another crucial aspect of soil investigation in Ram Puri is determining the presence of any underground utilities or obstacles that may impact construction activities. This includes identifying the location of underground pipelines, cables, or other infrastructure that may need to be considered during the design phase. As Ram Puri is located in an area prone to earthquakes, it is imperative to assess the soil's liquefaction potential and its ability to withstand seismic forces. Any structure's design and construction process must include a step called soil investigation. It entails the investigation and evaluation of the soil's characteristics at a specific location in order to assess its suitability for various construction tasks. A thorough soil assessment is essential in the case of Ram Puri to guarantee the success and durability of any upcoming building projects there. The Ram Puri soil investigation should take into account a number of significant factors. To establish the strength and stability of the soil, it is first necessary to evaluate its composition. This entails examining the various soil layers' individual characteristics, such as density, moisture content, and shear strength. Engineers are able to choose the best sort of foundation and structural design for a given location by carefully considering the soil composition. A soil investigation in Ram Puri should evaluate the groundwater table and its potential impact on construction projects in addition to the soil type. A high water table can alter the stability of the soil and necessitate extra precautions to prevent water intrusion into buildings. Engineers can create efficient drainage systems and waterproofing techniques to reduce any potential concerns